You may as well book the match right now. Sherwin Stern versus Subway. SummerSlam.
I'll say this much. It's Sherwin Stern's way or the highway. I bet Subway is shit. Okay, I'm at Subway. I got my Italian BMT, I got my hot Cheetos, and I got my Mr. Pibb. Let's see how good this is, baby. You know, everywhere I've been, it's been bad, but maybe Subway will be good. Nah, it's gonna be shit.
Looks like poop.
It looks like a nice spread. This could be a good sandwich. You know, it could be delicious. This Italiano BMT. Do the Italians want to make their sandwich? I mean, we gotta get Super Mario Bros in here to try it out. Say aw, open wide. Here it comes, bitch.
Shove it down your throat. Man, Subway is shit.
Man, was that shit. I mean, I heard Subway had the reputation of being the most stale submarine sandwich place around. I mean, I know it had heavy competition between Kuzno's and Jersey Mike's, but man, I didn't realize it was this stale. Ugh. Don't get burned by the hot Cheetos. I already got Cheeto on my hand. The meat was stale, the lettuce was stale, the onions were stale, the bread was stale, the chipotle was stale, the honey mustard was stale, everything about Subway was stale. Ugh. When you get shit, you gotta wash it down with Mr. Pibb. Or actually, wait a second, I should have got Dr. Pepper, but there is no Dr. Pepper. I mean, when you get shit, you need the doctor, but there's just Mr. Pibb. Where's the doctor?
Shove it up your ass.
On this sandwich, I got lettuce, tomato, onion, I got pico de gallo, I got honey mustard, I got chipotle, and you know what? It's all crap.
Sub shit.
Half of my dick has been circumcised. It's been chopped off.
It went from a foot long to just 6 inches. Damn you, Subway. You can buy a Sherwin Stern shirt on teespring.com. The coolest shirts around. And don't forget to donate to my Patreon.